In today's video, I am going to teach you how to store client in Zoho Free CRM. To begin, you will want to open your Zoho Free CRM account and look at the navigation area on the left side of the screen. This is where Zoho organizes the main sections you will use most often. Take a moment to locate the module called Contacts, then click Contacts in the left sidebar. When you click it, Zoho will take you to the place where you can manage people you work with, including adding new client records. This step matters because storing client information correctly starts with creating a contact record in the right section. After you enter the contacts area, the next thing you will do is start a new record. Look toward the top right side of the screen. You will see an option to create something new, either a plus icon or a button labeled Create Contact. Click that button now. This action opens a blank contact form, which is exactly what you need before you enter any information. If you do not see the form immediately, give it a second to load, since some screens take a moment to render. Now that the Create Contact page is open, you will fill in the client details. The form will include fields such as first name, last name, email, and phone number. Enter the client information carefully, and exactly as you want it stored in your CRM. If you make a mistake, you can still edit it later, but entering it correctly now saves time. As you type, pay attention to field formatting and any required fields indicated on the form. This is the core step where Zoho connects the client to your records, making it easier to find them later. Next, you will link the client to their company, so the contact is connected to the right business account. In the form, look for the field called Account Name. Enter the business name there. This step is important because Zoho often organizes your work around accounts, and linking a contact to an account helps you track relationships more clearly. Use the exact business name you want stored so that your account list remains consistent. Once you have entered the client information and the account name, you will store the record by saving it. Look again at the top right corner of the page and click Save. After you click Save, Zoho will create the new contact record and bring you to the saved record page. Take a brief moment to confirm that the contact details appear correctly on the screen. This confirmation helps ensure everything was recorded properly before you move on. After the record is saved, you can add extra information and supporting documents. On the saved contact page, scroll down until you reach the section for notes or attachments. The exact wording may vary slightly, but you should see an area where you can store additional context related to the client. This could include notes such as reminders, meeting outcomes, or internal logs. If you have files to keep with the client record, this is also where you would add attachments. As you add notes or attachments, focus on clarity. Use the Notes section to capture information you want to reference later, and use attachments for documents that support your work. Keeping these items in the same record helps you avoid searching across different places. It also makes your future follow-up smoother because you have everything available in one view. When you are finished storing notes or attaching files, you do not need to do anything complicated. Your job is already complete because the contact record was saved earlier, and any notes or attachments you add are saved as part of that record's page, and that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.